Good morning, students. Today I discuss computer fundamental chapter 1 for class 6, and this chapter today a related topic in this chapter: what is software and types of software, and second, types of software. My dear students, what is the software? Computer cannot work without user instruction. Computer cannot work without user instruction. Set of instructions which are used to perform particular task. I write down: set of instructions are used to perform a particular task. This set of instructions of a particular task performed, this is called to the why this is called? This is called to the program. This is called to the program. The second point: a set of program is used to solve a specific problem. A set of program used to solve a specific problem. This is called to the software. This is the two important point. First, set of instructions are used to perform a particular task, called to the program. Particular task called program, and a set of program used to solve a specific problem is called to the software. First of all, how many types of the software? How many types? There are two types of software. First, system software, and the second, application software. Application software. How many type of the system software? System software, operating system software, device type, and utility. Operating system, device, drive, and third, utility. This is the system software. How many types of application software? Every student know that Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Paint, there are so many such type of the application software. First, MS Word, PowerPoint, etc. This is the application software. Today I discuss what is the system software. what is the system software? My dear student, system software is a set of program. Every student listen. A system software is a set of program that controls the working of your computer system. Set of program that controls the working of your computer system. It acts like an interface between the user and the computer. Obviously, the system software many types. First, operating system, device drive, and to the utility. First of all, I discuss what is the operating system software. Operating system software, the first point, operating system. Operating system. What is the operating system? Operating system can have a character user interface or graphical user interface. First point, CUI and GUI means character user interface and graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. First of all, character user interface. Character user interface, you need to enter command in text mode. You need to enter command in text mode to instruct the computer. This is the character user interface. Again repeat, enter command to text mode to instruct the computer. And GUI operating system. GUI operating system gives you various operations from buttons, icons or graphics. GUI based operating system are easy to learn and use. This is the operating system. Second, disk operating system. Disk operating system. My dear student, what is the disk operating system? Disk operating system, popular called DOS. DOS. Popular called DOS. And this DOS is an operating system have a character user interface. This is the character user interface. And this DOS, one of the most popular operating system, and this DOS is developed by 1995. This is the disk operating system. Windows is an operating system with a graphical user interface. Windows is a GUI, not for the CUI. I already discussed what is the CUI and what is the GUI. This is the system software. What is the application software? What is the application software? Application software, the software designed to help the user in performing a certain type of work. I again repeat in the definition, the software designed to help the user in performing a certain type of work. is called application software. An application software can help the user to solve a specific problem. For the example, accounting software. Everybody know to the accounting software. Tally is the best accounting software. Tally is the best accounting software. Every accountant, every company, every small organization, every big organization is always time work with the Tally. This is the best example of Tally. Some important point: liveware. This is the last topic. Liveware. What is the liveware? The word liveware is the combination of live, first, live, and second. This is the two names, live and ware. Live and ware, two names. That is, it refers to human beings. That is, programmers, operators, administrators, and computers. Users who program, operate, maintain, and use computers for various functions. I again repeat in this particular topic. Liveware is the combination of two, live plus ware, means that it refers to human being, means programmers, operators, administrators, and computers use who program, update, operate, maintain, and use complete the various functions. This is the end of your topic, the software and the system software and to the application software.